Today on Delta Safari, I find myself under the interstate again. This time I'm bound and determined to catch some fish in 3 Mile Creek. Let's head to the Delta. All right, back here at 3 Mile Creek, where it goes under I-65. Getting into this one a little more. See what we can come up with here. What do you say? Ha 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 ha! Look at there! Ha ha! Red-breasted sunfish. That's what we're talking about right there. A red-breasted sunfish. Let me get him back in the water, y'all. Haha! Tiny little bluegill. The amount of litter right here is indicative of how our waterways have been looking since the pandemic. And pollution has always been a problem, but during the pandemic, with so many people getting to-go food from restaurants, the amount of styrofoam and plastic that's ended up in our waterways in the last few years is way more than it was prior to the pandemic. And that's not good, y'all. Ha ha ha! Little panfish, these tiny little bass are fun, but it'd be nice to catch something a little bigger, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna be picky, but I mean, I would never eat anything out of this stretch of the creek anyway, because of, you know, all this pollution and stuff. There's a lot of industrial runoff in this part of it. But I would like to catch something eating size. Ah, something hit it. All right. Woo! Three bass.
This delta is remarkably resilient. Even amongst all of this modern blight and urban sprawl, nature still flourishes. There's fish in this creek, and there's flowers blooming in the grass. Man, nature is cool. Starting off with chips and fire roasted tomato salsa. They make pretty much everything from scratch here at Rooster's, and you can really taste it when you get into the food, and you can tell the technique that goes into it. It's a cut above most Mexican places, at least here in the Gulf Coast. In case you hadn't figured it out by now, I love Latin American food. Let's go check out the hot sauce bar. Start here with the barbacoa, which barbacoa is the word that barbecue evolved from. That is so good. This is some of that spicy habanero Caribbean hot sauce. Putting that on the jerk chicken. I may regret it. That is really good. That jerk chicken taco, that's outstanding. I'm loving that. Alright, I'm about to eat that mahi taco. I love a good fish taco. And I'm going to make a little PSA here. Lettuce does not belong in a fish taco. Cabbage does. Also, some of their house-made chili de árbol sauce also belonged on here. One advantage that the Mobile-Tensaw Delta has over a lot of other wild spaces is its proximity to a city of significant size. Mobile is the second largest city in the state of Alabama by metropolitan area. Mobile County is the second largest county in the state by both population and land mass. The largest is right across Mobile Bay in Baldwin County, the other side of the Delta. The Lodog District, which stands for Lower Dolphin Street, is considered one of the premier entertainment districts in the U.S. of cities the size of Mobile, 100 to 200,000 people. It's actually been compared to cities much larger like Birmingham and Nashville. Mobile has a tremendous history as a melting pot city because it is a port city. So you've always had an influence from French and Spanish and the Caribbean in Mobile. It's clearly obvious in the food.
At least click it one time. Click it. Click it. Read.